everybody, it's Jennifer Nicole Lee. Really excited about today. We are really going to kick it into sixth gear today. I want to tell you something that we are celebrating day of our Skinny Jean Challenge. So I can't believe it. We're off to such a strong start. I'm loving all of the positive posts that I am seeing in our group. So congratulations to everyone. Yes. All right, guys. So today is day 2 of our Skinny Jean Challenge. Skinny jeans, I'm coming for you. I can actually hear the zipper zipping up. I can see and feel the inches melting off. So congratulations, keep on going. You're planting new seeds of health and wellness. These habits are gonna last forever. If you're feeling ripped and shredded, congratulations. These are the results of our Skinny Jean Challenge. Now today's theme is Wonder Woman superpowers. You have a superhero inside of you, okay? First, let me just give you a really great announcement. I am adding, drum roll please, 15-minute ab attacks. Yes, I will be popping in spontaneously into the VIP group to give you 15 ab attacks. 15-minute ab attacks. I want to thank Susan Lozier, our VIP sister, for this great idea. Back in my powwow days, I would do 15-minute ab attacks. Everyone loved it. Now, I will be popping in when I can squeeze these 15 minutes into my schedule. Sometimes they will be scheduled ahead of time so you can come and join the live. I just want to build up a 15-minute ab attack library so you can go in at any time on your active recovery day and get a good ab attack in, because it is going to be spring in about 29 days. So we have got to get ahead of the game and spring forward with our ab goals. This is going to be a great way for you to have a 15-minute core workout in our e-library that you can use at any time. So I'm excited about that. Also, Friday is our Jolt to J&L. You don't want to miss it. We're going to continue with our book club, and we're also going to continue with all of our fun questions that you're giving me, like how to repair a broken metabolism, what food should I eat to really melt off the fat. So make sure you don't miss that at 1:15 on Friday. Now, day 2 of the Skinny Jean Challenge, I can hear zippers all over the world zipping up. You are a strong woman. Do you know what the qualities are of a strong woman? You're a survivor. You never give up. You know when to quit a bad thing. Some women out there keep doing the same thing, but they complain about it. A winner, a strong woman, a superhero quits it. No questions asked. Just doesn't even need to give an explanation. Just moves forward in her superpowerness. Okay? She listens to her gut instinct, her sixth sense. She might be hearing yes, 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 yes from everyone around her, but her gut instinct says no, and she listens to her sixth sense gut instinct. She's confident, brave. She also protects herself, and she protects her loved ones. She fights for the underdog in her tribe. That's why our VIP tribe and our online coaching community works. Thank you for all the love. Thank you so much, Sally, because we root for the underdog, because I'm still the underdog. You know what I mean? I've always been the underdog in my life. So I always had to root for myself, and I believe in rooting for the underdog. That's what we do in our group. We root for that. The last shall be first, the first shall be last. You know what I mean? So we root for people to come and evoke their superhero powers in our group. We know our worth, and then we add tax. Yet we are humble, okay? We let our work speak for ourselves. We're not a brag about, So in our VIP program, I coach women into being superheroes. I evoke it out of them. What qualities make my VIP superheroes? These are some of the qualities that I see in each and every one of you here in our group. And if you're not a member and you would like to gain some of these qualities, join at jnlvip.com. It's $1 for your first 30 days, $24.99 every month after that. I'm going to coach you and teach you to always see the good in all situations, even the bad. There's a blessing in everything. There's a lesson in everything. To take positive immediate action, not tomorrow, not next week, but today, to implement these small and sometimes big changes to improve the quality of your life. To never take no for an answer. No is just proof on how to do it better next time or how to get stronger. Also, super creativity. All of my VIPs are super creative. I'm seeing your foods, I'm seeing your beauty hacks, I'm seeing all of your artistry, whether you're a best-selling author, whether you're a homemaker, whether you're a dentist, whatever it is. And I love to see how you create healthy foods and how you post about it. We reward creativity. To gain unstoppable willpower. What once really, really enticed you no longer entices you. You have this willpower that's just so strong. You don't care about that glass of wine or those plate of nachos or that Snickers bar. You actually link pain to that, because with my tools, tips, and techniques, I have trained my VIPs to be superheroes and to link pain to eating that or drinking that, and to link pleasure to eating healthy, right? You can also smell a negative person or a situation miles away in seconds, and you're like, that's a dead end. I'm not even going to play with that. I don't have time for that. You know how to outsmart any hater or sabotager. You're productive enough to crush multiple goals while fighting off multiple villains that attack your focus, like maybe a horrible boss, sick kids, temporary lack of money, family issues. But you still get your workouts in and eat clean. That's a superhero. Because the number one thing that sabotages women from sticking to eating clean and working out is life. Life is going to happen. You're going to get sick. You're going to have sick kids. You're going to have altercations with your loved ones. You're going to have that fake friend that fizzles out on you. And it's going to emotionally crush you. But no, you've got to keep this down here. Working out, clean eating. This is life. It's going to be a hot mess sometimes. But if you keep this part of the equation always the same, flatline, eating clean, working out, thinking positive thoughts, you're going to win this battle up here. You get it? All right. You have super sleep. VIPs, you have super sleep. You go to bed because you have a clear conscience. You are getting into that REM sleep where you're repairing your body. You're releasing your hormones to repair your body, to balance your hormones. It all happens while you sleep. I'm a big believer in high quality sleep. You don't go to bed with alcohol in your system because that's going to whack everything out of whack. You go to bed with a clear conscience because you did your best during the day and you want to get recharged, okay? Waking up refreshed, bouncing out of bed, happy for the day. You're hitting that REM sleep. You're not hitting that snooze button. You don't even need a snooze button because your goals are so big. They jump you out of bed. You have super beauty rituals like spa nights, facials, meditation to de-stress. I can see the glow in your eye. And you prep like a hero, meal prep, food hauls, fresh produce, grocery visits. You lay out your workout clothes, and then you circle the days on your calendar when you're going to work out. Speaking of, March is already out. Okay, we're marching on. Spring has sprung. St. Patrick's Day, luck, labor under correct knowledge. So now, you are also hyper smart, and you outsmart any sticky situation because you plan to think ahead. Okay, so if you're feeling weak, like a victim, confused, lacking in creativity, brain fog, no direction, no confidence, stuck in a vacuum of fake friends, full of stress, constantly attracting the same type of energy vampires into your life, getting bad restless sleep, waking up feeling hungover, but you didn't even have a drink before, and you slept for 8 to 10 hours and you're still exhausted, you're not getting that high quality sleep, and you're eating processed poison food that's really garbage, and not taking care of your mind, body, and spirit, you need to get with the VIP program. And look, I'm just saying, I'm not selling you, I'm telling you. So let's do this live at 8 a.m. Last but not least, send in your questions for Friday's Jolt. I'm here to serve you guys. Skinny Jean Challenge is on full effect. You guys are crushing it. I will see you guys at 8 a.m. We're going to be working glutes, back, upper back, shoulders. It's a total body shred and shrinking, of course, the hips and the inner thighs to help you slip up that zipper. Let's do this. I'm so excited. Remember, tomorrow there's no live workout. So let's hit it hard today so you can enjoy actually having something sore tomorrow to rest. All right, let's do this. Love you guys. Rita, Yelly, woo! Superpowers activate.